We're going to take a quick look at what can be done with Pasco's wireless AC-DC module, a rechargeable DC voltage source and function generator that can be built right into the circuits created with Pasco's modular circuits. The wireless AC-DC module can provide up to 3 volts and 300 milliamps of DC current. Its lithium polymer battery holds 1,000 milliamp hours of energy. It can generate sine, triangle, and square AC waveforms from 0.1 to 10,000 Hertz. The AC-DC module connects to Pasco's Capstone or SPARKvue software with Bluetooth or USB. Both software programs have a user-friendly control interface for configuring the AC-DC module. It also can be controlled using Blockly programming. Teachers will appreciate the built-in overcurrent and over-temperature protection. The ability to generate AC waveforms allows students to quickly probe the characteristics of various circuit elements and learn how they function. We're going to look at how students can measure capacitance using a square wave. After building their RC circuit, students generate a 2 Hertz 3 volt amplitude square wave while graphing the voltage across the capacitor using Pasco's Capstone or SPARKvue software. Let's give it a try. So I have the circuit all ready here, except for the AC-DC module. We have the AC-DC module configured. Hit record. And we only need really one of those. And so you can see the charging cycle. So students can use the tools in Pasco, Capstone, or SPARKvue to quickly find the half-life of the circuit. And so I charged it up to 3 volts. So the half-life is the time to reach half that. Since the product of the resistance times the capacitance times the natural log of 2 equals the half-life, they can solve for the capacitance. So here I got 0.024 seconds for the half-life. And I get 346 microfarads. This capacitor is rated at 330 microfarads. Advanced students could fit an exponential to the voltage graph to find the capacitance. This approach is also useful for exploring the characteristics of resistors, diodes, LEDs, and transistors. The Pasco Experiment Library has resources for these AC-DC module activities and more. Check it out there or on the AC-DC module page at pasco.com. Thanks for watching.